I'd like to first start by bringing us into the kitchen and living space of this beautiful, gorgeous unit we've recently finished. As we look at the kitchen, you'll notice we have custom cabinets throughout, custom countertops, built-in appliances, integrated washers, refrigerators, freezers, all to conceal the appliances from plain sight. In this room, you will notice the custom cabinetry. Elmwood Custom Fine Cabinetry is the cabinet line that we've used throughout this process in this house. They offer 87 different species of wood. They offer several melamine, textured and faux melamines as well for the more economical buyer. They've got products for everybody. This kitchen is full of amenities from your pull and turn pantries, push to open doors, divider slats for storage of pots, pans, sheet trays, cutting boards, integrated refrigerators and freezers to conceal from plain sight, appliance garages to keep the clutter off the countertops, keep the large items off the countertops and out of plain sight. We've housed outlets inside of here, coffee makers, so on. Keep those plugged in off the countertop for a cleaner kitchen. We've also utilized touch to open, servo drive upper cabinets. These cabinets you'll notice have a glass door on the bottom, wood door uppers, complete solid wood interiors, simple push of a button to open and close. This cabinet you'll notice we have the drying racks for those hand wash goods so they can drip directly over the sink area. Client's desire within this room was to have adequate eating for up to 4 people and plenty of pots and pan storage. Servo drive base cabinets, push to open, hidden drawers throughout. Very in today are the waterfall countertops. It adds a great design feature to the kitchen. It appears like a large block of stone versus just a thin sliver of stone. Just an optical illusion to make something feel solid and much more substantial than what it actually is.